Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Visual. Have you ever experienced over time the download folder on your phone become full of unnecessary data and lead you to an internal storage full error? So in this video we will use a software that will take care of our storage issues without much pain. But before this, do like the video and hit the like button and do subscribe the channel. Let's start. First of all, go to the Play Store and search for an app that is File Manager Plus. Since I already installed the app, it is showing open the option, and if you don't have it, then it will ask you to install the app. Here you see its rating that is 4.5 plus and 1 million views, and oh my god, 50 million plus download. So you can imagine how good this app is and how it will going to benefit you. Now browsing through its general overlook, showing its different criterias and different options that the application have. Now open the app. This is the main page of this application. Go to the storage analysis. It is the key feature of this app. After the analysis, it will give you result related to your storage. Like we go to the large file options. Here all the large files are shown of any type in your mobile phone. In here I will delete this thumb data file and clear my storage. In here you can browse through different files and take the action as you want. Now come back and go to the cache files and clear it. It will clear all your cache files. Now go to the more option. It will show which functions or folder is occupying how much space. You can browse through different folder and delete unwanted files quickly. Now you see the storage error has gone, which was showing earlier in the top of the screen. So let's explore the app furthermore. Coming back to the main window and click on the apps section will lead you to the apps installed in your phone. You can further browse through them and uninstall if not desired. I hope this video will help you to check and manage your mobile storage using this super simple app File Manager Plus. Meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.